first day here and I'm meeting Sean at the, I don't know if this place looks familiar to you guys, but classic chili pani.
I don't know.
No, I didn't.
That looks cool.
Okay, well here we are at Chili Pani again. Sean's favorite restaurant. I haven't even checked in at my hotel yet.
I can't believe you're here again.
I
It's been
know.
like 5 weeks.
I just want like the tiniest amount.
Right.
Oh, my chili. This is Sean. So we just checked into my hotel. After checking in at the hotel, me and Sean decided to come to, is it Bugis? Bugis? He says Bugis. Going to this cafe. Sean's trying to play 1 minute chess. He wanted to prolong the game.
Yeah, maybe. I don't know. Oh, he made a mistake. 2, 1. I mean.
And I got this phone case for $15. We're walking around and Sean just suddenly has a craving for Hai Di Lao. So, and then he googled it and there's a Hai Di Lao nearby.
Belly slices.
Oh my gosh. So it's post dinner now and Sean left to meet up with his friends. So it's basically kind of like a market street where there's like stalls of like stores like this, and there's a couple of food stalls, but it's mostly like they mostly sell clothes here. Pro tip for people shopping at Bugis, shop on the second floor because they have the same stuff most of the places on the second floor, but it's cheaper. Gotta get out of here, I keep buying stuff. Bye. So I'm back for the night and today was day 1 of Singapore. A little backstory of why I'm in Singapore. I joined this club called Careher and it's basically a social club, a woman in business in Taipei. Overall, just a great place for people to make friends, especially when I just moved back to Taipei, and I thought it was a great way for me to meet new people, and so far it's been great. To basically share like why I'm in Singapore, the club Careher the club is launching a chapter in Singapore, and I just wanted to come and show my support representing like Taiwanese people in Singapore, and also thought it'd be just fun to meet new people in the city and to have connections here, like because I really like Singapore. If you see my vlog, my first time here in Singapore, I had a great time. I loved it so much, which is why I was also really excited to come back this time. And let's just see how it is this time, because the last time I came here was about almost 2 months ago. I just want to see like, oh, did I really only like Singapore because it was my first time here and it was really fresh and new, or if it's because like I really like Singapore, and so far I still really like it. And so the event is tomorrow. From what I know, it's supposed to be, I think it's one of their first like Singapore chapter events, which is why I really wanted to attend this one. And they're going to be talking about sustainability and impact investing.
2. Slight miscalculation. Thought I charged my phone last night, but I guess I didn't. Now I'm running on 20% battery and it's only 9:30 a.m. And the original plan was I'm gonna get breakfast and then go to the Botanical Gardens, but then I don't think my phone's gonna last that long, so I'm probably just gonna get breakfast and head back to the hotel. So I was eating breakfast at Hong Eating House and I met a new friend.
Hello.
Anchi. 你有英文名字吗?
Angel.
Angel. Okay, Angel. Also, we're the same age.
Yeah.
I know, but it's so sad that she's leaving tomorrow.
See you next time.
Next time. Just departed with my new friend Angel and she was so sweet. We just basically ran into each other like on the street after we like shared the same table at breakfast and she said hi again. I need her phone charger, which is why I can last till now. She like saved me for about like 10%. I hope one day we get to meet again in Macau or Beijing. After coming back and charging my phone for about 15 minutes, I took a cold shower, lied in bed for a bit, and I'm gonna grab a quick bite before my event at 3 p.m.
Focusing time. So I realized that connections with women are really important. And try to listen and try to support and try to empathize. Right. Things that we are doing to empower women leadership. So about 3 pillars.
My skin is why I started brown. My skin went crazy in Singapore when I moved here. So I was like, F everyone. I'm gonna do my own thing, research, found a lab, made my own formula.
Made Tiffany to put my name on there because I did that but I couldn't attend the event. So she
be educated growing up.
It's okay. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Of course. I'm having dinner with Christina and Ingrid, who was hosting the Careher event earlier today. Wow. I know. So cute. Thank you, Christina and Ingrid, for hosting our event. I'm talking about this chair. Oh my god. Can you like? Oh yeah. Okay. So it's post dinner. I am walking near Merlion. I'm trying to go see that statue. I didn't see it last time, so I wanted to go check it out this time, so I'm just walking.
1,000 points.
Here we are again. I'm here for Joshua. Bye. Again.
Have a good time.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you.
Sounds solid, good, like a bread basket.
And I think you'll have to listen.
So cute.
Cause the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time.
So today's my last night in Singapore.
Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right.
I just successfully took the bus by myself.
It's
And it's because I wanted to come here for a buffet, but I didn't want to walk 9 minutes, so I decided to take a bus for 10 minutes.
all day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, Lord.
한국 거 거의 라인 나.
만나면 나 홀로 너를 생각하네. 이런 기분 설명할 수 없어. 원래 이맘쯤 너와의 여행을 생각했었는데 네가 좋아하던 와인과 선물을 준비했겠지. 기뻐할 너를 상상하며. 근데 왜 이런 생각을 하면서 너를 추억만 하게 된 건지.
So I just did my GST returns, yay, got like $100-something back. And now I'm gonna make my way to the Butterfly Garden because we didn't have time to go there last time. And I didn't know that it was actually inside the terminals, like you have to pass immigrations first.